Hey, good morning, it's Greg Luther, and I think you're really going to enjoy this information because this can get you some fast closings. As you may have heard, I was actually in the hospital yesterday. I'm down in Nashville, Tennessee. This is the Gaylord Opryland Hotel, by the way, which is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous out here, but I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. We were meeting with a seller, or a buyer that's looking to buy at $1.7 million, and I got a kidney stone. If you guys have ever had a kidney stone before, oh my gosh, was that horrible. I want to tell you about how we can get you some closings here, but I wanted to tell you about this as well. They gave me some morphine yesterday, and evidently when you get morphine, you start seeing rainbow unicorns that are twerking in the background of... It was a mess. But anyway, I had surgery yesterday. I'm in good shape. We are back at it again today. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about a new training that I was supposed to record yesterday. Of course, I was sitting in a hospital. But I wanted to tell you about this new training because there's so many agents that are struggling out there with how do I increase my offer to pick up more buyers, specifically luxury level buyers. So as an example, this buyer that we're meeting with here in Nashville, he's looking for $1.7 million. We picked him up on Facebook. And we did it with a very simple ad. So what I'm doing is today or tomorrow, I'm going to be recording a training that I'm just going to give you to show you a simple process to make that happen for yourself. So I'm going to give it to you totally free of charge. I've got some examples, some marketing examples, that type of thing. So I'm trying to put it all together. They say I'm supposed to be in bed for a couple of days. You know me, that's not going to happen. So we're going to a conference. We're meeting with a client today, and I'm going to be doing this recording for you. So I think you'll find it very helpful. Here's the only thing I need you to do. So what I need you to do, hopefully our lighting works here. I need to stand up. So what I need you to do is I want you to make sure you're following this page and turn on notifications, because that's how you're going to find out about this. So follow this page and make sure you turn on notifications. If this type of training is helpful for you, I want you to like this video here. I think it's on this side. Like this video because it's going to get you more information. By the way, if you're not familiar with how the Facebook algorithm works, what happens is if you like something, that tells that person, based on the pixels that they use, that they should give you more content like that. So if you're interested in getting some luxury level buyers or just higher end buyers in general, make sure you like this video here, follow the page and turn on notifications, and I've got an awesome training that I'm going to be sharing with you. So by the way, if you've never been to the Gaylord Resort in Nashville, Tennessee, certainly worth checking out. Absolutely gorgeous here. This is in Opryland. So I think you'll really, really enjoy it. Don't go to the hospital and don't get a kidney stone. They actually had to remove that thing. It wasn't going to pass. It was 8 millimeters big, which I believe is the same size as a beach ball, if you ask me. But happy that's all done. We're back at it. So I'm still going to get you this training here. Like this video, and we'll plan on talking to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.